Hey, my name is Chris McDread. This video is how to instantly lock your hair or do instant locks. However, I'm gonna tell you a secret is I've already done a video on how to do this 8 years ago. It's called Instant Dreadlocks. It has 9 million views, the most watched video on YouTube on hair. These are the oldest instant locks on record. These ones, 8.5 years. I don't know anybody else with instant locks who maintains their hair with crochet from beginning till now, that longer than mine. I don't know. However, that video I did 8 years ago, a lot has changed since then. In that video, I use a 0.60 mm crochet. I no longer use it that much because I call it a butcher stop. It will butcher you a lot. And so I've developed different methods on how to simplify what crocheting is. And all you have to do is to go into my website, Chris McDread, and type, you'll see instant locks and just purchase the video. In that video, I show you slow motions on exactly what happens when you're crocheting. The technique that I first teach is called a pull method. And it's a very, very basic technique. And I break down the whole science of crocheting until you'll be able to understand it. You have access to the video for 3 months. You can have it for 6 months, for a whole year. You can pause, rewind, and you can self-pace yourself. You have a mannequin. You can practice. And when you're done practicing, send me pictures on Instagram. We can have a conversation, what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, what you need to improve on. All these things, I help you out as my student to get you to the level that you want to be. Okay, so head over to my website and check it out, and you start your instant locks for your clients. And I charge the regular, actually, no, I charge $500 minimum to do locks like this size. So imagine that. So if you can do one client per week, that's an extra $2,000 you'll be making every month. So head over to my website and scroll through, see what you can get and what you cannot get. And like I said, a lot has changed since I did that video. One of them is I don't use a 0.6 crochet much anymore because it's a butcher style. It butchers you. So there's a level of how I break it down so that you can be able to do it correctly and be able to actually wash hair. This is my mannequin that I used to teach. I don't finish. You can see I don't finish because I'm teaching. I do one-on-one classes too. Oh, I forgot to mention that. I teach you, so I want to watch you doing it, not me doing it. I'm not performing. You already know what I can do. So I want to see now you do it. And so I demonstrate, and that's why you see them all half done. I demonstrate, and then I watch you do it. And then I guide you through it on one-on-one classes. If you're interested in such a class, again, go to my website and purchase one of my classes. I got 10 different classes that you can learn from, and it's up to you. However, like I said, if you go to Instant Dreadlocks video on same YouTube, you'll be able to see the original video 8 years old. Okay, peace out.